Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Well, it is Friday, October 23rd, 2020, and I am here to do an unboxing of my paper pumpkin. This is Joy to the World from October 2020. So if you're new here, my name is Susan Timchak and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! I've been with Stampin' Up! Now for the past 20 years and I am enjoying every single minute. Seems impossible that it could be 20 years already. So if you're new to stamping or you don't know anything at all or have nothing at all with rubber stamping, I represent a company called Stampin' Up! Based out of Utah, and they are a rubber stamp / paper craft company. And I am an independent demonstrator with them, and I would like to introduce you to Paper Pumpkin, which is our monthly subscription box. Now there are many subscription boxes out there, but this one has everything included to create something wonderful and magical each and every month. It's always a surprise. You kind of get a little hint as to what it could be coming in the mail. You register by going to paperpumpkin.com and choosing Susan Timchak as your demonstrator, or you could head on over to my online store at StampinSueCreates.Stampin.net and just click under Paper Pumpkin. You can choose a 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, or 12-month subscription. But if you want to check it out, just do month by month. That's perfectly fine. So this month, the box is decorated beautifully, and you'll notice that there is different words on here from different languages. This is currently only available in the United States and Canada. However, this month, this box is going to be available all over the world. So isn't that amazing? So you will find different languages inside, but rather than chit-chat about it, let's open it up and take a look. Now, I did open it up. I did not watch any videos. I did not watch anyone unboxing this month, and we're going to experience it all together, other than I did take a peek. And I shared it last night during my Facebook Live, which I do a Facebook Live every Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, over on my Facebook page, which is called Stampin' Sue Creates. So come on over there, join the fun, join the Facebook group. A lot of great people do come in and join. You can chit chat, make some new friends. I also host a monthly card swap, which you can also just message me, let me know you'd like to be a part of that, and it's just a lot of fun. So let's get going. All right, so as you will notice, right on top is the stamp set. But let's check out what this little flyer is. So every month you will receive a stamp set, and this is a very nice sized stamp set this month. And it is called, again, Joy to the World. I had to check the side. So you have a beautiful wreath. You have To the World, To You and Yours, Sending, 3 little berries. You have a little floral design here. Joy, wishing you a very happy Christmas filled with fun and laughter. And then you have a beautiful Merry Christmas. I like that the wording and all the words on here are nice size. They're nice and large. Sometimes you kind of don't know what you're supposed to put on the inside of a card. So by putting a nice verse inside and maybe just a little, enjoy your holiday and sign your name is all you need. And then every month you will get a different Stampin' Spot. This month it is just Jade. If you're wondering what that is a little square. It's a little ink spot. So we have our standard, let me just grab one. We have our standard ink pads, which you can accumulate. Or if you're new to this, no worries, because the Stampin' Spots will not be repeated within a 12-month period. So you can build a whole collection of little ink pads during your Paper Pumpkin subscription. And also, the stamp sets are exclusive to Paper Pumpkin, so you will not find them anywhere else to be purchased, which is a great thing. So the little flyer says, spread the joy. And this is, 'tis the season for joy and Paper Pumpkin. is here to help you spread the holiday cheer all over the globe. The October Paper Pumpkin Kit was designed to help connect you with people around the world and gives you sentiments in English, French, and German. To help you spread joy worldwide, you can join our Facebook group, Joy of Paper Pumpkin. Here you can connect with other paper pumpkin lovers internationally and exchange cards in different languages. Feel free to share your experience with hashtag Joy of Paper Pumpkin when connecting with new friends around the world. So it says here, get help translating your sentiments with our key on the back side of the flyer. So back here, it'll tell you the different sentiments. So example, peace, joy, and love, and what they are in French and in German, which is really fun, really fun. And just a little heads up, next month, we're going to be doing a gingerbread theme box. So you're not going to want to miss out on that. Now, when you get it, it's all wrapped up in this little tissue paper. You have to unwrap it. So it's like receiving a gift each and every month, courtesy of Stampin' Up! Now, the cost of this is only $22, which will include the shipping right to your door. And I apologize, that's my dog. It is a Friday, and, you know, it gets a little busy around my neighborhood. And if there's a little leaf blowing down the street, my dog will bark. So I didn't put, she has a little bark collar, but I didn't put that on her because I thought she would be good because she was sleeping. But anyhow, so let's go ahead and open this up. And like I said, I did not peek at anyone's samples or anything. So what I'm going to do for you here today is just a little unboxing. And then I will be going over, either I'll probably do a YouTube video to show you some alternative ideas using the kit. Because they do make suggestions of what you can create with the kit, which is right here on the cover. They have 2 different suggestions for this. And there's so many other things you can do with it. And if you missed out on my Facebook Live, I posted it here on YouTube. And just grabbing one of these. This was a cute idea I did with a, got it from another demonstrator, using the canning jar inner lids and made cute little wreaths with other products with Stampin' Up! But this has a little wreath. You certainly can, you know, venture off and maybe make something like that. And with these, let me grab a little magnet. It's stuck to the other one. Use these little round magnets I got from Amazon. And they stick right to it, being it's a metal jar liner. So how cute would that be to put on your fridge or maybe tuck into a little gift? So anyhow, let's go on. Joy to the World instructions. When you open this up, it is very little instructions. So they do have the instructions in different languages, and there's only 3 steps to create it. Stampin' Up! Also provides a online tutorial, a video tutorial. So if you're a visual like I am, you might want to check that out. Go over to, just do a search for Paper Pumpkin Stampin' Up! And, you know, you will definitely find it. So it looks like there's just a few steps to make your project. And I love how on the back it tells you everything your kit includes. And it also gives you a few other alternative projects. So kind of get your creative juices going and, you know, kind of give you an idea of what else you can do with it. So let's see what we have in our kit for this month. Let me just put that up there. We have a whole sheet of our Stampin' Dimensionals, and these are little honeycomb shaped stickers. So the one side is sticky and the other side you'll peel off the sticky, and that is what you would place onto an image to kind of raise it up off your card surface. So it gives a little dimension, hence the name Stampin' Dimensionals. So here we have some little squares, and these are embossed already for you with like a cable knit design. There's 2 different sizes. Those are real pretty. So we have, what is there, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, I believe 8 of those. Next we have, oh, beautiful envelopes. And oh, look at the inside is even printed. So this isn't going to add any weight to your card. And this seems a little bit larger. Let me grab my paper cutters nearby. Let me grab this and do a little measurement for you. It just seems a little larger. It's 4.5 by, let me extend the arm, 4.5 by 6.25. So yeah, it is. So these would also be great if you like to incorporate photos. You know, like a lot of people like to send cards with their family photos or their dog, or, you know, whatever you want to send a photo. So this will incorporate a 4x6 photo. So I like that. Looks like we're making 8 cards provided in the kit. Here we have some dies, and here comes my kitty too. Yes, I have a dog and a cat, if you don't follow me and don't know that. These just punch out very easily, and they have the stitching that's embossed in them. So those are pretty. Ooh, and look at the cards. The cards are a, well, do I want to say a crumb cake color? And they have this gold stitching running through them. Let's, oh, there's items inside. Let's take a look then. The inside is white. So when you fold your card, this is how it'll look. And I love the gold. Inside white and the back is plain. I'm going to show you some fun ideas I'm already thinking, where I cut these apart and I could double my kit in no time at all. So we have 4 of those. Okay, so it looks like we have 8 total cards. And I like the back because it almost looks like it has a little bit of grungy look to it. So don't think that there's something wrong with your cards. Just has that total little bit of a wash to it. Ooh, and we have some real pretty dies. Look at the flowers. And here's the wreath. They just come out very easily. And here's the center. And look how pretty that is. So that just punches out real easy. And then here's the floral one. Very pretty. And so we have a few sheets of those. Now also, I have seen other demonstrators where they would save this piece and incorporate that into their card design, whether you want to use that as a little stencil or things like that. Demonstrators are so creative, so I'll tell you, you will not run out of ideas. Now, Paper Pumpkin is a subscription box. So what Stampin' Up! Does is fills all the subscriptions, and sometimes, not a lot of times, sometimes there are boxes left over. So if you are a current Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can go back in and see what refill kits and boxes remain from the past that you might have missed out on, and go ahead and purchase those. So that's fun. But it's for Paper Pumpkin subscribers only, so it's kind of like a little exclusive an exclusive club that you belong to. So we have 5 sheets of these. Very pretty. Ooh, and then we have these beautiful golds. We have 2 sheets of them. And these are the different languages, which is really fun. So here is the American, or English, which is joy. And then don't forget, there's that little dot, which I'm not going to punch out. And then we have these long banners. So we have 2 sheets of those. I think that's fun that they're in different languages. And there's peace as well, and love. And then we have some glue dots, which are fun too. So this is a really great kit. Can you see all the different items you receive in your kit, all ready for you to be creative, to make something really fun, and just have a good time. So be sure to come back. If you're not yet a subscriber, click that red rectangle box. Click the little bell that you want to be notified, so you'll get a notification, and come on back and see what else I create with this fun subscription Paper Pumpkin box called Joy to the World. It's a lot of fun, and I would love to have you as a part of my Paper Pumpkin team of stampers, and I know you won't be disappointed. Oh, and let's not forget the baker's twine. Almost forgot about that. Cute little roll of baker twine. So thanks so much, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.